Imagine that the user wants a function to operate on private members of two objects which are created using two different classes. What I said, if you want a function which should access the private data members and member functions of class A, I mean objects created using class A, and same function should access the private data members and member functions of objects created using class B. Apparently, this is an impossible task. We know that non-member functions cannot access the private members of the object. Hence, the above mentioned task is impossible to implement if you are interested to follow the principle of data hiding very strictly. What I said, if you want to follow the principle of data hiding strictly, then this task is impossible. But the C++ provides the concept of friend function to solve this problem. The friend functions of the class can access the private members of the class. So this is a friend function, and now it has given authority to this non-member function to access the private members of objects created using class A, as well as it has given the permission to access private members of objects created using class B. Remember that this concept of friend function violates the principle of data hiding, but sometimes it is very useful and essential concept for programmers. In this diagram, I have shown the non-member function sum is a friend function of class A, for which I use the keyword friend. This is a declaration that the function sum is a friend function of class A, which gives the authority to this function to access the private members of class A. I mean private members of the object created using class A. Simultaneously, I declare the function sum as a friend function of class, namely B. And the result is this non-member function sum has a full powers, full authority to access the private members of the object created using class B. Is it clear to you? Let us study a program which uses the concept of friend function. This is the first program in which I define two classes. The first one is Rana and second one is Singh. Inside the class Rana, I use the name of next class which is not yet defined, and that is why the first step is this declaration, class Singh semicolon. This informs to the compiler that Singh is a class which we have used before definition. Well, after that I define a class named Rana. The income is the only data member of this class. It is a private integer type of data member, and there is one member function, namely initialize, which initializes the data member, namely income. Is it clear to you? Well, see the next important step. Total income is a non-member. What I said, total income function is not a member of this class. This is an independent function. But using the word friend, I declare this function as a friend of class Rana. What is the advantage? This total income function can access the private data members of the class, namely Rana. Is it clear? Well, now see the next one. Second class, that is the class named Singh. In this class, there is only one data member, that is income. This is of integer type and it is private. Again, there is only one function, namely initialize. One member function, I mean. This member function initializes the data member income. After that, again I declare the function total income as a friend function of this class, namely sing. Observe carefully, total income is not a member of this class. It is an independent function, and I have declared this function as a friend of the class sing. Let us see the definition of the independent function, namely total income. This function, the return data type is void, means nothing, and the arguments are two objects created using the class Rana and class Sing. So R1 is the object created using class, namely Rana, and S1 is the object created using the class, namely Sing. I declare a variable R. Here I have added the data member of R1 and data member of S1. After adding these two incomes, we'll assign it to R, and the cout will display the content of R, that is nothing but addition of data members of the class Rana and Sing. What we are doing exactly? We have added the income data members of both the classes. Is it clear to you? Well, now see the function main. Before that, let us see the diagram. This rectangle shows the class, namely Sing, in which there is only one data member, namely income, and one member function, that is initialize. This independent function or non-member function, namely total income, is a friend function of this class. What is the advantage? This function can access the private members of the class, namely Sing. Similarly, income is a private data member of the class Rana. There is one member function, namely initialize, to initialize this data member, and total income is a friend function of this class. Is it clear to you? Well, let us execute the program up to this step. Press F4 key. I have created an object R using the class Rana, and the S is the object using the class Sing. After that, I have called the function initialize to initialize income data member of the object, namely R. What is the value? 2000. I am passing the value 2000 through this function initialize. Press F7 key. It will be assigned to the data member, namely income, of the object R. After that, I want to initialize the data member income of the object S, which is an instance of class Sing, using the value 1000. Press F7 key. I am initializing the data member income of the class Sing, that is object S. Initialize it, and now observe very carefully. I am calling the function total income. We know that total income is the independent function. Neither it is a member function of class Rana, nor it is a member function of class Sing. It's a friend function of both the classes. I am passing the objects R and S through this function. R is copied to R1, S is copied to S1, and we are adding two data members of R1 and S1, that is data member of object R and S. And we will assign it to R, so we'll get total income of Rana and Sing. Display the content and see the output at DOS prompt. 3000 is displayed. Which values we have passed? 2000 and 1000, and what we got? 3000. That is total income. Is it clear? This means the function total income It is a normal function, it is an independent function which has accessed the private data members of the class Singh and of the class Rana. Is it clear to you?